When you search for the best oil extractors, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to find the real gems that actually work, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Thorstone Fluid Extractor. We have the Thorstone 200cc Automotive Fluid Extractor Pump. Priced at just $10.97, this manual oil change syringe caught my attention with its simple yet effective design. If you want a reliable option for changing fluids without the mess, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Thorstone features a dual rubber ring design that creates an airtight seal, meaning no leaks while you're working. Plus, its 40-centimeter long extension tubes make it easy to reach those tricky spots in your vehicle. Users rave about its efficiency, and it's already sold over 4,000 units just this past month. Now, some people complained about the manual nature of the pump, saying it requires a bit of effort. Here's the thing though, if you don't mind using some elbow grease every now and then, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's actually quite rewarding to do it yourself. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for an affordable and effective solution. Skip this one if you prefer electric options or need something for heavy-duty extraction. Now, if the manual aspect of the Thorstone wasn't your cup of tea, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, 4 Uncles Fluid Extractor. We have the 4 Uncles Fluid Extractor and Filling Pump available for just $9.99. What caught my attention here is the longer tubes that allow for a reach of up to 23 inches, making it great for tight spaces. If you're looking for something easy to use while being budget-friendly, this is a solid option. The double sealed security feature is a game changer. It creates an airtight seal, preventing any leakage while you extract fluids. It's suitable for various applications, including cars and motorcycles, which is a big plus. The precise measurement markings on the transparent body also help you monitor fluid levels accurately, ensuring you know exactly when to stop. With over 3,000 sold in the last month, it clearly resonates with buyers. However, some reviews mention that the lock buckle can wear out over time, but honestly, if you take care of it, you should be fine. It's a minor issue that can easily be managed with a little caution. This is perfect for you if you need something user-friendly for light maintenance. Skip this one if you want a heavy-duty extractor for larger vehicles. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one might be even better for more extensive oil changes.
Product number 3, Fatio Electric Oil Extractor. Let's talk about the Fatio oil pump, priced at $34.80. This 12-volt electric fluid transfer pump is designed for engine oil changes and caught my eye with its powerful pure copper motor. If you want a more electric solution that does the heavy lifting for you, this might be what you're looking for. This electric pump is suitable for a range of vehicles and is super efficient, helping you extract oil without the hassle of crawling under your car. It has a flow rate of 1 to 4 liters per minute, which means you can get the job done quickly. Plus, it's designed for a maximum continuous operation of 30 minutes, so you can really count on its performance. However, some users pointed out that it's not suitable for gasoline or diesel, which might be limiting for some. But if you're strictly working with engine oils, this should be no problem at all. This is perfect for you if you prefer an electric extractor for quick oil changes. Skip this if you need a pump for multi-fuel use. Now, if you want a more hands-on approach without sacrificing power, the next product might catch your interest.
Product number 4, Vivor Manual Fluid Extractor Pump. We have the Vivor 6.5-liter manual fluid extractor pump, priced at $41.90. This is a solid choice if you're looking for a larger capacity. The all-in-one kit makes it super convenient, and you get a 6.5-liter tank along with various tools. If you want something that can handle bigger jobs, this is worth considering. One of the standout features is its thorough fluid extraction capability, which means you can easily reach those hard-to-get areas in your vehicle. The manual mode is simple and easy to maintain, which many users appreciate. It's also versatile enough for different types of liquids, from engine oil to brake fluid. Now, some people found it a bit heavy at 5.07 pounds, which can be cumbersome if you're not used to manual pumps. But honestly, the power and capacity it offers make it worth the little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're tackling larger fluid changes regularly. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and compact. Lastly, if you want a budget-friendly option with solid performance, check out the next one.
Product number 5, Duratec Fluid Extractor. We have the Duratec 500cc Fluid Extractor at just $19.99. This compact option is designed for various uses, and I appreciate the included extension tubes that can reach up to 50.4 inches, making it fantastic for hard-to-reach spots. If you're looking for an economical but effective fluid extractor, this is a strong contender. The double seal design ensures powerful suction and no leakage, which is critical when you're working with multiple fluids. Its construction is solid, and the transparent body allows you to monitor fluid levels easily. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it quite versatile. However, some users mentioned that the pump could be a bit small for larger jobs, but honestly, if you're working on smaller vehicles or just doing fluid maintenance, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable solution for regular maintenance. Skip this one if you often work with larger vehicles that require more capacity.
So, to quickly recap, we have the Thorstone for budget-friendly manual extraction, the 4 Uncles for easy reach, the Fatio for electric efficiency, the Vivor for larger jobs, and the Duratec for compact versatility. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. Thanks for watching and happy oil changing.